In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Netflix in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to netflix.com. Once the page loads, you'll usually see the main landing page with a prompt to begin the sign up process. At this stage, make sure you're on the official Netflix website before entering any information. That's always a good habit when creating an account or sharing payment details online. On the landing page, enter your email address in the field provided, then click the Get Started button. This tells Netflix that you want to begin setting up a new account. Be sure to use an email address that you can access easily, since it may be used later for account verification, password recovery, and important billing or subscription updates. After that, take a moment to review the available introductory plans. Netflix may present different options depending on where you live, and trial or introductory availability can vary by region. Because of that, what you see on your screen may look a little different from what others see. As you compare the plans, pay attention to things like video quality, the number of devices that can stream at the same time, and the monthly cost after any introductory period ends. Choosing the right plan now can help you avoid having to change it immediately afterward. Once you've selected the option that works best for you, continue by creating a password for your account. Choose something secure but memorable. A strong password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and it should be different from passwords you use on other websites. After that, select your preferred payment method from the options Netflix provides. Depending on your region, this could include a credit card, debit card, or another supported payment option. Finally, complete the checkout process to initiate your active period. Before you confirm, it's a good idea to review the details on the screen one last time, including the plan you chose and the billing information you entered. Once everything looks correct, submit the payment and finish the setup. After checkout is complete, your Netflix account will be active, and you can move on to signing in and personalizing your viewing experience. That's all it takes to get started.